Today it presses in unfamiliar. My shadow wakes before I do, lingering on the ceiling. Something passes outside the door. I fold my breath thinner. Words that never became speech cool slowly in my mouth. Like a nameless shell, I lie here quietly. The light is the same, I keep getting smaller. Without saying anything, it already feels far away. Leaving only traces. The day slips past. Just like time, turning through the room. A distant footstep, coming closer.